Hello, YouTube. How are ya? Yeah, I'm looking at you. Dead at you. What you gonna do? Gonna do. Period.
Money never made me. Made me do something. Nah, can't make me. Even if the money low, can't pay me. Even if the money low, can't play me. Hey, you heard about the good news? Y'all sleeping on me, huh? Had a good snooze. Wake up, nigga, wake up. We about to get this paper.
Anyway, today. Oh my god, welcome guys. This is my first video. Okay? And I have a surprise. You see this quality? You may believe it or not, but it's Android quality. Yeah, but it's all about to change within the first video. I know, right? Because this channel's already amazing. You should like, share it, subscribe, and then comment. Oh, and like, wait. How did I set up? Anyway, I am happy. I'm happy. But to make this video took a whole lot because my phone was talking about out of storage. And then I was gonna delete everything, but then I checked my storage again and it said I have 7 gigabytes free. So, like, I wasn't gonna make the video but I guess I can now. I'm so glad. I'm done with this phone. Moving on. iPhone. It's my first iPhone, guys. It's my first. Like, yeah. So.
Okay, hold on.
Period. Ow, the door shocked me. Hello. Thank you. It is cave. Oh my god. I just gave y'all my address. Let's talk about it. Okay, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into some things. We're gonna get into some things. Okay? Okay?
I write songs.
Be clear.
Okay? I write not only rap.
Okay. This box is so strong. My weak arms can't handle it. Oh my god, I see it. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, I see it. Oh, it look beautiful. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. It's in there. Y'all see this? Get this up. Y'all see this? Get into it. Get into it. Okay. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Y'all see the? Hold up. Y'all see the iPhone?
Yeah, because we could see backwards.
I watch so many videos. They do this all the time. Hold on. You got this. iPhone. Get it? Clear. You better clear. Okay. iPhone. And then iPhone. Guys! Yo! So if you do not know by now, this is my first iPhone. 64 gigabytes. Oh my god. Okay, let's get into it. Here we go. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let me get close. I'm sorry. Okay. I am. Oh, wait a minute. Pause, because I can't even touch this with these. You see these nails? I gotta cut them. Finally, we done. You see? I tried my best. But anyway, we gotta get back to it. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god, this color. Get into the color. Get into the color.
I'm white.
I'm black. I'm yellow. I'm red.
I'm retarded?
Yeah. Then the box. And then the box. The detail. You see that? It's raised. It's not even like if I. That's raised.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, that's right.
It's a texture. I can't even click clack no more, but it's a texture. Okay. We're gonna take him out. Okay. Take him, her. Anyway. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, chat. Oh, snap. Oh. That's all I can say. Baby. This is $700 in my hands. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing because I ain't have money like that. But God really came through.
Gonna take a miracle from God.
I'm really looking at all the details. Okay. In the box.
Designed by Apple in California. So that's the first thing you see. Oh my god, I really can't believe it. Hello? Hello, iPhone family. Okay.
Androids, y'all can leave now. I'm gonna read this, but not on camera, because, you know, I'm not gonna waste any more of y'all time.
SIM ejector. So I can put my SIM in. Little warning, I think. Anyway, stickers. We got the iPhone stickers. Okay.
Then, oh my god, they really put AirPods? No, I'm kidding. It's headphones. Yeah. We have the regular lightning cable, and then the regular cube. The regular. Okay. Now, get in. I'm really struggling with a box. Oh. Get in. Where's my... Okay. Oh my god, hair on it already? This carpet nasty. Okay. Now. Dang, I got into this box. Now it's time to get into the iPhone. The iPhone. Get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
Now we have my baby in my hands. Let me see. How am I gonna... Well, I could play on this. I play Minecraft, so you already know.
I think it's time that I just do this vanilla. My dog! No! 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 Oh. No! No!
Wow. The detail, the glass, if I could get into it. The glass is frosted on the camera module, what they call it, that's what they call it. But here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Hello. Hello. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? But we're gonna swipe up. If I bring it back a little. Okay. English. Select your country or region. I'm from North Korea. Well, let me tell y'all, my friends, my friend, I can't even do it right. Even that's fake. Friends, they were like...
We was playing Snap games, and I was beating them. And then they got tired of it and wanted to go on the iMessage games. Like, y'all gonna leave me out here? Really?
Yeah, they really did. So, they can't escape me now. I'm coming for them. That's on period. Y'all wanna know my Wi-Fi password? I could put y'all on. No, let me stop. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Face ID? Here we go. Here we get into it. It's time already. Time to give my face to the government. It's just the way it is. They're gonna find me. How to set up...
First position your face in the camera frame. Then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face.
Should I take the... No, I'm not taking this off. Anyway, we're gonna get started. Okay? Let me see if I could... Can I get y'all in it? Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Let me see. I'm gonna just have to... Okay, that's one time. I guess... The first Face ID scan is complete. So I guess one for Apple, one for the government, you know? Wow, this is really my phone. Need a passcode. Wow. What's today's date? Y'all gonna know my password. Actually, no. Y'all not gonna know my password. The freak. I guess... I'm gonna do this. And y'all won't know. No, y'all won't. Yeah. Y'all not gonna know it. We're gonna go into Apple ID. Okay. I have that. Yes I do. Because my mom used to have an iPhone, like I said. And I created one, so finally signing in. And yeah, that's what we're doing. I wonder if it's gonna back up from back then. I don't remember anything that was on there. Upgrade your account security. I really cannot believe like I am broke. So the fact that I'm even like God really came through on this one. Like I said, let me see. Okay. 932-529. 932-529. Was that it? Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Okay, this is really like, wow. I wonder how long this is gonna take. But in the meantime, let me show you. First things first. we have, we gonna check them out. We gonna take them out. Take them out. The first thing we have is the case. Like I said, I don't go without a case. We're gonna put you there. Ooh, don't drop the phone now. Next thing, I said it before, like I said I didn't have it, like the screen protector. This is the screen protector. I said I didn't have one, but I got one yesterday. So, I was able to get one. I didn't have to go out. My mom, she just went out and got one for me. Love you, Mom, risking your life. Now, okay, so here's the funny part that just reminded me.
This phone, okay, the phone was supposed to come today, right? But all the other stuff, like the case, and these two things, lightning and USB-C, I ended up getting it after I was done in the break. That wasn't supposed to come until tomorrow, right?
So let me tell y'all, because I was almost worried this phone wasn't going to come today. But the stuff came first. And then I was like, oh, what a nice surprise, because I looked at my phone, it said, out for delivery. I was like, ooh.
Yeah, because you forgot to tell them the stuff is gonna come until the day after the phone came. But whatever, now I have to clean up your mess. Go off. Like, come on now.
Okay. And then the iPhone came like literally 30 minutes ago, and it's like, what time is it? That's a long time. Yeah, it's 2:26. So like it came at about 2, and all this stuff came at about 9. So I was worried, like, what's going on? And then this came in finally. So I'm in shock. And I don't know if I'm showing it enough so y'all can get it. But my friends know. They known me for having an Android. But now, set up Apple Pay? No, because I don't even have a card like that. So, okay, Siri.
How you doing, Sister Siri?
I'm blessed and highly favored.
All right, now. Hey, shake.
Siri. Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri, send a message. Hey, Siri, how's the weather today? Hey, Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey, Siri, play some music. Yeah. Appearance, light or dark mode. I already knew this. I'm going to choose light for now because I want to catch the original experience, and I'm going to switch to dark. Okay.
Go home, you gotta swipe up. I know that. I know things about the iPhone. I just never had it. Just never had it. Switch between apps, quickly access. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, snap a doodle. Wait. Hold on. Swipe up. It's not working. Yes, it is. Wait. Okay, we're just gonna... Okay, we're in. This is really my phone. Y'all can't tell me nothing now. Within the first video, y'all can't tell me nothing.
Period.
At all.
Talk your mess.
that's
You
that
broke
on
little
that.
child. Your pocket's
So
hurt
now what
right
we're gonna
now.
do is...
But
we're gonna turn it off.
congrats.
Well, I'm just gonna... Okay? Y'all heard that? Hold on. Oh, let me see. Let me make sure y'all hear it. Okay, y'all should have heard it.
Now, time for this to come off. Hopefully y'all can. Hold on, let's try that again, because I don't know if y'all heard that. I want it more satisfying, you know? Child, I hit it on the thing. Child, oh my god. Yeah, it's time to go in the case. Okay, first things first. Screen protector. I have never done this before, so if I screw this up, I'm gonna be a little annoyed. Because I hate...
A wonky, yeah, I said wonky looking, a weird looking screen protector. Like, you know, it's not on properly.
So, I don't even know how to open this, but... Okay, I see a little indents thing. Okay. So this is it right here. Oh my god. I have too much... My legs are starting to hurt. I got long legs. This is... Okay. Quick start guide. Clean your screen thoroughly using a clean wipe microfiber cloth and dust removal sticker. Even if you have just taken a phone out of the box, the cleaning process prepares the screen to adhere to the screen protector. Okay. Place the application tray on your phone. Okay.
2 seconds later.
I don't know. Let me see. Okay, so we're gonna take this, and I guess, am I supposed to wipe it down? I just read it. I'm confused already. Let me see. This is a 26. Wow, okay. The white. How literally. Okay. Come on. I wonder if it smells like alcohol. Yeah, that's alcohol. It's alcohol, baby. Wipey, wipey. Mm-hmm. Get into it, child.
Bobcat.
Okay. Now. Oh my god. Shampoo. iCarly fans. Stop turning on. I'm not looking at you. Okay. Yeah. That is clean. That is clean. Now, what we're gonna do is... Oh, I gotta use the sticker too. This is the longest thing ever because I'm so slow. Okay. We're gonna put this down. And then we're just gonna... I'm not looking at you. Leave me alone. Don't leave me alone, actually. I'm sorry. Don't leave me alone. Okay, like this. Okay, it's just an alignment. Oh, I already see some dust. I already see it. Gonna need it. Ooh, okay. Yeah, they trying to get on my iPhone. Like, back off. You're not invited. You are not invited. Let me make... Oh, my God. Oh, snap. This is not going good. This is the longest part ever. All by my... Okay. I really need the instructions for this part. I think I need to watch a video for this. Yeah, I'm gonna watch a video because...
The final layer of dirt, dust off of it before we do the installation.
Okay.
One little bubble left.
It really doesn't want to...
Very nice, very nice. So
Okay.
let me try to see if I can find my microfiber cloth.
Okay.
To wipe it down. Looking nice and clean.
Yeah. We got it.
You can see how that went on really smoothly. To it, they give this like rainbowish tint to them. This one should not have those issues. Most of the iPhone, there's so many big name companies that do iPhone screen protectors.
Okay, that came on good.
But some of these...
Yeah. Okay. I'm not mad at it. It got some, but for the most part, it's on. That was good. That was okay. There's nothing under. Actually, there's a little. But it's actually, yeah, I'm not mad at that. Okay. Okay. Here we go. We're good. We are good. Now, for... Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Case on. Okay. Ooh, chap. Yeah. Okay, I really like this. See the Apple logo. Okay, so let me talk because I know we gotta get into the camera and we gotta tell y'all about everything. So iPhone 11, basically the XR, you could tell because I used the XR screen protector to put on the phone and it works the same. Yeah, that fits really nice. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I am going to, I don't know. The only difference is with the XR, 2 cameras, of course. I mean, from the XR, 2 cameras, of course, and then they moved the Apple logo to the center, and it looks really good. I really should have used the cloth on the back because it has some dust, but I'll get to that later. What I want to do is now, I want to screen record. It's not on here. Okay, I think, because I watched a video. We had to go into the settings. Settings, go into, I think, accessibility. And then we're gonna turn on, I really don't see action. Wait, screen record. Screen racist. Screen racist, imagine. A low-key doopy. No, what am I talking about? There we go. I got it. I just had to get used to it, I guess. I don't know. So this is what I have. I have that. I have all of those for my controls. So now, I'm going to start to screen record. And maybe it's going to pop up. I mean, maybe I'm going to try to put it in a video so it can pop up. I'm going to put it over this mess. Over this mess right here. Because, editing, get it together. Get it together, editing.
I've been slaving. So enjoy. Carry on with our already scheduled program.
All right. Okay, so we are now about to screen record. Okay, here we go. The first things first we're going to test is the camera. And then I'm going to let the sun come in. I have the world's worst freaking... I'm gonna just lift this up. Ooh, God. So, we're gonna let the sun hit. Really, the sun is not gonna hit here, but we're just gonna go in anyway. New in camera. Allowed to use your location. We're not gonna allow that right now. New in camera, capture outside the frame. See in capture, da-da-da. Okay, we're gonna, can we flip it? No. Okay. Okay, I really want the sun to hit. So, hold on. Much better over here. Ooh. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, we're still going. Oh, yes. Okay, get into it. Get into it. Don't mind that mess. I gotta clear that, but we could come over here. Yeah. Portrait is, they added some new thing. Natural light, that's been there. Studio, contour. I don't really like studio and contour, but stage light, I never really liked it until now. Until now, I love it. I like that. And stage light mono. Okay.
Hold up, because what you're about to see is dirt. But do not come for me because it's just living in New York City. Thank you, management.
Then we got piano. That my window is really dirty. Do not judge. I'm sorry. But video. Did it stop it? We still going? Oh, we still going. Okay. And then slow-mo. Okay, let me see. I really like to have this on. Here we go. I'm a crackhead. Oh, wow. I really can't. Okay, how did that look? You could swipe up to see live photo effects. Okay, let me see. Okay, not bad. I like this camera is really nice. Okay, let's go back into it. Time lapse and, you know, just speeds everything up. That is the camera. If I... Wait. Yeah. Okay, the camera's really nice. Okay, so I went ahead and switched my SIM. I put it in here, so now everything's set up, activated, and we could get started. Well, back up again because it took a minute. It was a minute, so about to pop up again, the screen. So now what I want to do is I want to go into, let me see iMessages first. Okay, so it was gonna, so I went in it originally and then it popped up welcome to iMessage and all that, but I kind of backed out, so it doesn't pop up anymore. But yeah, yeah, I guess that's it. I don't really get an introduction because I ruined that. But if we're gonna go to phone, yikes. We go to phone, voicemail. Oh, I got a voicemail already. My aunt had called at what time? I don't know. But anyway, let me go. Okay, what I want to do now is I want to go into FaceTime. So I'm going to call my sister. And are y'all gonna hear? I don't know. Yeah, I think I will. I don't know how to do it though. Let me see. I'm gonna just call her number. Here we go. Why she not answer me? Say hi to the vlog.
I look crazy. Anyway, who was I saying hi to?
To my video. I'm unboxing.
So it came in the mail today?
Yeah, it did.
Oh, look at you. Your phone clearer than mine. That's the 11?
Yeah. 11.
Okay. Period. Period. Go FaceTime calls like, what's up?
Wait, you wanna surprise Aunt Serena and Uncle David?
You didn't tell them yet?
No, I didn't tell them. We finna surprise them.
Probably at work, but you could call.
Oh yeah, we'll do it later.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna call you back so I can finish this video.
Alright, I'm about to go out with my grandmother, so yeah.
Okay, stay corona free.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, wow. That was my first FaceTime. Wow, okay. What's calendar? Okay, calendar. Why do they always want your location? No, thank you. Photos. I already have, like... Oh, what is... Oh, okay. So it did back up. Oh, this is back... Oh, snap. Okay. That was back when my mom had the 5C, so it did kind of back up. So I was like, wow, what is this? And that's why I saw, old contacts. I was like, what is going on? Okay, so I'm recording on my iPhone now. As you can see the difference, I'm pretty sure. So I hope you like this video, okay? Because, you know, I hope you like that. I hope you like my energy. Vibe with Kenny, you already know. All right? Now, you better like, because you have to subscribe, okay? I want the fan base. Let me talk to you real quick, okay? Sorry, I got carried away a little. But listen, subscribe, okay? Because this is the fan base, okay? I don't know your name yet. Like, they have the channel names, you know? Get into the skin, oh my god. But anyway, okay. I guess I'll see you in the next video. And that's just peace. Rah!
Hey, you heard about the good news? Y'all sleeping on me, huh? Had a good snooze. Wake up, nigga, wake up. We about to get this paper.